everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for Almond Joy chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are packed with almond, coconut, and melty chocolate and are one of my family's favorites. Please hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need for these cookies. 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of coconut extract, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of coconut flakes, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and 1.5 cups of chopped almonds. Begin by adding the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar to the bowl of a stand mixer. Beat them together until light and fluffy. Mix in the eggs, vanilla extract, almond extract, and coconut extract. Next, add in the flour, the baking soda, and salt, and mix until combined. Stir in the almonds, chocolate chips, and coconut flakes. Use a cookie scoop to drop the cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper about 2 inches apart. Bake the cookies at 375 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes. Keep an eye on them at the end of the baking time because they can become overdone quickly. Allow the cookies to rest on the cookie sheet for 1 to 2 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. I hope you love these Almond Joy cookies as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.